need to lower my voice so you can hear me. So I hope you can hear me. So again I'm telling welcome back guys. This is Jamil Islam and we are playing Pixel Gun 3D. So and before we start everything, go and hit this smash the like button because I need a good microphone because my microphone is recently broken and I need a new microphone. So please drop enough likes to me to buy a microphone and subscribe to my channel and push the notification bell so I never miss an upload. And I'm trying to win this battle. Yeah. So let's hope you enjoy the video. And yeah, we need to win this. Oh my god, this flip. See, there are dinosaurs around and it's killing like bam bam ba bam ooh bam. Yeah, and if you fall into this lava, you see that. Oh, there's a gem. I want my no, you freaking nugget. I will kill you. Flip. Should have taken that flip. Oh my god, we're going to lose. Flip. Oh my god, minus 45. You kidding me? Oh my god. I need to quit. Yeah, I need to quit. Ooh, oh, need to quit. Sorry, that was a horrible song. Yeah, that was a horrible song. Yeah, so we are going to now play. What can we play? Team Strike? Maybe a Team Strike? This is really hard. Point capture. Two teams competing, capturing targets. Target points on the map. Captured points raise your score. First team to score 1000 points wins. Oh. Deathmatch. Flag capture. Battle royale. Duel. What does that do? One-on-one combat. Player with no self within the time limit wins. Oh. Okay. So we're going to play maybe, I don't know, team fight. Okay, maybe team fight. Yeah, now I'm going to play Ant Life because this is a long range and you know, long range map, you can say. Because this is like huge, like your own house, and we are like ants. Yeah. Yep. So let's get right into it. And wow, it's 12 and 10. Oh my gosh. We need to use a lot of. Oh my god. What? You flippin' nugget. Yeah, you die for that. Come on, die. But I wanted that kill, so no offense to that guy. Oh my god, shit. Heavy shocker. What? Was he like walking in the air? Like, was he walking on the air? Whoa. How are they jumping so far? Oh my god. Can't see who is firing at me. Yeah, really, I can't see who is firing at me. Looks really hard. Okay. Ow. That hurt it. What are they jumping on? Flippin' mac and cheese. What you jumping on? Ow, that hurts. Oh my god! Push! Oops. self-destruct, so if I fall down, it's a self-destruct. Ow, 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 ow. I'm hating this place. Like really. I'm really hating this place. Yeah, I hate this place. Yep, and we lost. I don't want to respawn. Dang it. No. Okay, let's go to the pool. Let's go to the pool. Pool. Yeah. Oops. Sorry. It's already been like 6 minutes. And when I first started to play this game, I used to play in this pool party, and I used to I get killed right when I spawn. I just got killed. Like never had a kill on my own. Like everyone had the chance to kill me because I didn't understand this game. But when I started to understand this game, and I'm already starting to get. Oh my god, what is that? What is that? What is that? Yep, what is that? This is something. Like something's out. Someone's hurting me. There is an invisible guy! Oh my god! Yeah. I mean, why can't you hurt him? Because he's invisible, that's why? Is that so? Okay, let's use this gun. Let's use a backup gun. Because it's splash damage. Oh my god, oh my gosh. My gosh. See? I never get a kill on this map especially. Flip! There is someone up. Icicle minigun. I need to kill that guy which is roaming around in the. What the flip? Where are these guys coming from? And what am I playing on is lagging die hard, like hard. I mean, not lagging, it's hard to control. Oh my god, why am I using my flippin'? Oh my gosh, I'm going to die. Oh, I got a kill, thank god. Got a kill. Whew. That was close. Oh, that was close. Oh, I get nothing from that. So, yeah, I quit. It's going to be on island. Maybe not island. It's not going to be an island because island is also a hard map. The most comfortable map for me is the Area Lab 52. That's why I play it the most because I'm used to it. Yeah, I'm really used to it. Oh, it's 603. Okay. Oh, think the Raid are more powerful than us? Oh, he sees me. Oh, you're an alien cannon. Oh, but you're on red team. I thought you were blue team. Red team. Oh, his gun is floating in the air. That's funny. But that's useful too. Yeah, you gotta admit that. Oh, I gotta snipe them. I gotta snipe them down. Let's snipe them down. Gotta snipe them down. Oh, okay. Got it. Oh, I can climb on these trees. Okay. Ow. Oh. Yeah, I didn't have the time. The 4-ton shotgun and primary weapon. Really? No, actually, shotguns are really good. Come on. I thought I got the kill. Flip and gosh, nugget, 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 yeah. Let's see if we can get something. No, we don't get anything. Come on, we don't get anything. Dang it. Okay, there are 2 letters. Okay. This place is horrible. Like really. Cancel. Yeah, this place is no. I don't want to fall into the void. It will be terrible. Yeah, it will be really terrible. Ow. It hurts. It hurts. Come on. What the flip is hurting me? Hey, you nugget. Nugget. You are a nugget man. Nugget. Flip. Yeah. Who killed him? Did my fire kill him? Did my? Whoa, this is smile. Oh, what the? Exterminator. Oh my god. Oh, I found him. But some grenades going to kill them. Kiss. Oh my gosh. Someone just literally fired on me. Whoa. I'm literally what? I'm literally on the whoa. Chill, bro. Chill, bye. Yeah, I have to go through the fire. You have to go to the fire. Base can, what the flippin' can, what the can, headshot, yeah. Snow, yes, I knew it. Like snowstorm absorbs you in. Revenge, revenge. Oh, hey, chill, bro, chill, bro, chill. Beast cave? What is that? What is a beast cave? Oh, he's on 1 health. I gotta kill him. Exterminator. You like exterminator much? Take that. Hey, he's coming aboard. Oh, I'm gonna kill him. We're gonna kill him. Oh, no scope. Yes! Ah, flip. Here, assist. I just try to snipe some. Hey, get out of here. Oh, just wait. Photon is the greatest. Actually, no. Prototype is the greatest and anti-hero rifle. Oh. So, is he firing at me? He's dead and I'm too. What the flip? I think this is the last match, yeah. This is the last match. Oh, he's using Napple Cannon too. Okay, chill, bro. Chill, grenade kill. Yes, this is the last match and we are done. Yeah, last match, last win. Not last but not least is the win. Yeah, we're going to hit the video and after we see this winner chest, yeah. Let's see what can we get from it. Maybe we'll get a gun. What is that name? something slinger named and a neon fighter maybe, or we can get electrosphere, paintball rifle, flag keeper, cheap sword. Ah, come on, nothing. And I guess frozen dragon. Okay, so I think this is enough for today. I will see you in another video, so stay tuned for another video.